Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to collect all 5 Comet Shards to unlock a free emote in the Cosmic Collisions update in Visit. First, make sure you have accepted the quest from the NPC, the Comet Sample quest like this. This quest is your key to unlocking the emote, and then there are 5 Comet Shards hidden across the map. So just watch this tutorial carefully. The first location is on here, in here. This one, the first locations. So and then just pick the comet chart, and then the second location is on here. This one, just pick up, and then next for the third locations is this one for the third locations, and then next for the fourth locations is on here. This one, just pick up, and then for the last is under the bridge. Further, this one, and okay, like this for the 5 locations. And after that, with all 5 shards in your inventory, just head back to the NPC and claim your free Cosmic Collisions emote. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.